Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to change Steam region. Alright, so let's begin with the video. Normally, if you go to the Steam store and try to purchase a game, you'll see an option to change your country during checkout. When you click on the country option and select Other, Steam usually just shows the country where your account was created or where it thinks you're located. If you try to update it, Steam will simply tell you to contact Steam support, which isn't very helpful. The workaround that actually worked for me was using a VPN and making a purchase while connected to it. First, open a VPN app. I used Eon VPN, but you can use any VPN, including free ones. Connect to the country you want your Steam store to switch to, for example, Germany. Once connected to the VPN, completely close Steam. Make sure it's fully shut down by right-clicking the Steam icon and selecting Exit Steam. After that, while still connected to the VPN, reopen Steam and log back into your account. Now go to any game in the store and try to purchase it. When you reach the checkout screen, click on the country option again. You should now see the VPN country available as a selectable option. From here, you can update your store country and billing address, which allows you to pay with a card that matches that region. That's exactly how I changed my Steam store region, and it worked without any issues. You can use any VPN to do this, and that's the method I recommend. And that's it. So that is how you can change Steam region. So that's all for this video. Thanks.